be it isedolobheni, be it isemakhaya, noma iselokishini. As long as iKwaZulu Natal. Ngombana seninambithe lapha ephayikeni, Skepeke. Manje uma ngibeze meeting eMnambithi. Umuntu osuke eThekwini athi ngikude eMnambithi, ngibuza kude mawusukaphi. Ngoba nami ngiyasuka eMnambithi ngiye eThekwini. And it's part of the province of KwaZulu Natal. So ayikho indawo ekude. Sengayibamba nje kanjani. Yonke indawo idinga ukuthi i-service. Because as long as we are part of KZN, we are South African, you vote for government. And more vote for government. So I think that's why we are here. Man ngizwa la ngithi ayikaza ngiyahamba. Ngiyabona ngithi man, kodwa indlela ihamba angayihamba. Thiwa se-Richmond kodwa ngazi ungikhambathi mina. Now angithi uyafunda life is a university. Because you learn many things. And in the process you are assessed. But not academically, so for sure. About that. The auto assessment. I love assessment.